Hello, I'm Sarah from Puremelt Chocolate Byron Bay, and I'm at Mind Body Spirit. And let me tell you a bit about my products. Everything I make is organic, free of cane sugar, and the very best ingredients that I can have, and almost all gluten-free. My latest product that people are going a bit crazy about are these Love Bite cookies. They are main ingredients in those is almonds. They're paleo, gluten-free, organic, vegan, and absolutely delicious. We're doing a special today at the show where you get 2 free in a bag, which pretty much everyone's doing. They're buying one and coming back for the bag. The other vegan product we've got, which is very, very popular, is our chocolate. It comes in 10 different flavors. It's 85% cacao, made from the very best quality raw cacao powder and raw cacao butter that I can find. A little bit of dark agave syrup and lots of vanilla as well. And we've got 10 different flavors, which you can see in the fridge. The brownies are an old favorite. They won an award at the Royal Melbourne Fine Food Awards. They're also gluten-free, super yummy, made from the best ingredients I can source. And then, of course, there's the fudge. It's not vegan, it has butter in it, it's not dairy-free, it's super popular, very delicious, and we've got about 10 flavors of that. Please come down and see us at the Mind Body Spirit show and get a taste. Come and have a sample.